everyone and welcome back. It's your girl Marquita with Marquita LV Luxury. On today, I am going to speak on a topic, well actually a discussion that has been going around in the luxury community, and I want to share with you guys and just get your intake and how you feel. But before we get started, please check out my past videos, like, share, and subscribe. Tell a friend how much fun we have over here. Don't forget to visit your girl on Instagram at Marquita LV Luxury. Now that we have that out the way, you guys know exactly what to do. Go grab some wine or some tea and a light snack. Hurry back so we can get started.
Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life moves fast when you do what you want. At this time, doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want. What you want.
Okay guys, so I am going to show you the short that was sent to me, and I'm still kind of wondering, why did this person send this short to me? Okay, so I'm going to give you my commentary on how I feel about it. Like I said, I hear it all the time. I basically see it in my comments. But this young lady actually did an entire short on it, and I am going to let you guys watch, and then I am going to give my commentary on how I feel.
Bernard Arnault is literally the richest man in the world, and he made his fortune preying on poor people. And I know what you're thinking. Vivian, he's the CEO of Louis Vuitton Moet Hennessy. He caters to the rich. Wrong. I'm Vivian, your rich BFF, and your favorite Wall Street girlie who's going to break down how the luxury industry actually works. Most people think brands like Louis Vuitton, Dior, Fendi, whatever, cater to the upper crusty. But in fact, their lifeblood is the middle class and lower income people, aka folks who want to look rich. This is because these brands are associated with wealth, and we as humans demonstrate our social status in part by how we dress. And when we see paparazzi photos of celebs and socialites carrying new products, the association is, oh look, a cool rich person is carrying this. If I get one and carry it, I'll be cool and rich too. But behind the scenes, these people are not paying for these products, they're being gifted. In some cases, they're even being paid to be brand ambassadors. And while I'm not saying you can never treat yourself to a designer item, I would take a moment to think seriously about why you want one in the first place. Do you buy designer goods?
Moment of silence. First and foremost, okay, I want to know, why did the person send it to me? Why did they send it to me? I have three topics basically, just off of this short that I want to speak on, and I'm only speaking on my behalf. But like I said, this is a topic that needs to be discussed. It needs to be talked about within the community, and I want you guys to let me know how you feel in the comments. First things first, quit counting other people's pocket. You don't know what their account looked like. You actually don't know what they had to do. Tears, struggling, waking up early, going to bed late, anything that they had to do to get to where they are to be able to afford luxury items is no one's business. So first things first, I think all of these outside people that don't own luxury items, they need to get out of the people that have luxury items, get out of their pockets. Stop counting their money, stop counting their coins. Mind the business that pays you, okay? Mind the business that pays you. I honestly don't understand how someone could look down on what people purchase using their own money. So that's the first thing. Mind the business that pays you. Stay out of other people's pockets, because me, I don't worry about if people buy replica handbags. I don't worry about if people buy authentic handbags, because guess what? It's not my money that they are spending. So to me, first things first. That was the first thing. Second, quit speaking out of your mouth calling people poor. Where do one feel comfortable calling someone poor because of the decisions that they choose to make in life? It's not your life, and it's not your box to put someone in, or your category to put someone in, because you don't live the same life that they do. I always say this, guys. I never try to be like someone else off of social media, because you don't know what goes on behind the cameras. You really don't. But to call an individual or individuals poor because of the things that they like to collect, the things that they like to purchase, because at the moment, even if someone else, even if you can afford it and you choose not to, why worry about it? I know what needs to be paid first. I know I need a savings. Guys, we know all of this. But why should we be looked at a certain way because we buy designer handbags, because we decide to buy luxury items? Yes, I understand. I hear it all the time. Oh, Bill Gates, he dresses like this. All of the rich people, they don't dress in designer. So what? That's their choice. I'm pretty sure they're collecting cars. They're doing something with their money that probably I don't like. But who am I to tell them that they are wrong because they collect cars? You have shoe collectors out there, even if it's not designer. Who am I to tell them they are poor because they choose to spend their money how they want? And another thing, I would never, ever, out of my mouth, claim or want to be rich. I don't even use that word. I don't want to be rich. I'm not rich. I am seeking wealth. I am wealthy. And I speak that out of my mouth. Wealthy. I don't want to be rich. It's a difference between being rich and wealthy. I want to build generational wealth. I don't want to be rich for the moment. That's not even a word I use. So it's a big difference. In everything that I have, I most definitely have worked hard for it. So I want to know how you guys feel about this, because it upsets me. I get it in the comments all the time. I get this emailed, or I hope she's saving. She has these handbags and I bet she's really living in an apartment. I don't care about the comments, guys. I really don't. I don't care about the comments. This short about people that wear designer items are poor. I don't get it. I don't get it. So those that collect cars, are they poor? Those that collect, I guess, designer fragrances, designer perfume, are they poor? We have shoe collectors. We have people that buy clothes every day. That adds up. I need someone to define what she means by this about being poor. I mean, do you guys ever encounter this? That's why I preach and I tell you guys. If you have friends that are around you that speak like this, guys, eliminate yourself immediately. No one knows what you had to do or go through to purchase the luxury items in your collection. They don't know if you saved. They don't know that all of your bills are paid. All of your priorities are in line. Bills before bags. They don't know this. They only see what we show. They don't see us waking up at 4:30, waking up at 6 o'clock in the morning, taking care of our kids, getting our kids off to school, off to daycare, going to work, working 12-hour shifts. They don't see all of that. Only thing they see is what we show, and then they base it off of that. So you guys, tell me how you feel. Me, I know I'm not changing. I'm most definitely going to buy the things that I want, and I love luxury authentic handbags. I'm not changing that, but I did want to speak on this topic. I want to know how you guys feel about it, and no, this isn't my normal upload day. I was going to wait until Monday, and I'm going to go over it a little bit more on Friday for Handbag Bestie, but I think this is something that we need to talk about. I mean, have the outside people actually stopped you from purchasing before because of how they think? Have you let this affect you so much, or your friends or family? Have it affected you so much to where you actually actually stopped purchasing? Or you don't wear your luxury items around them because you don't want them to feel a certain way, or you know they feel a certain way about you? Do you ever have people in your family or friends worry about, you know, are your bills paid because you have luxury handbags? Are they in your business? Are they wondering how you're able to afford the luxury items that you have? So guys, let's have this conversation. Like I said, we don't speak about this. And I see this a lot. But this short was sent to me. And like I said, I still wonder why it was sent to me. So I need to look at that as well. But I just wanted to share it with you guys and kind of see how you feel about it. Me, I'm not changing, but I want to know, do you guys get asked these questions? How are you able to afford certain things? Like I said, I see this in the comments. They always tell me, you know, hey, this girl here, you can tell that she's broke. You can tell that she's poor. This is all that she has. In which, like I said, that doesn't get to me. I don't know them. They're strangers. But have you ever been attacked by family and friends? Have you ever been called poor because you buy luxury items? Have they ever told you you have made a poor decision because you choose to buy luxury items? So guys, like I said, this is not a regular upload day, but I wanted to share this because it's not talked about. And like I said, the luxury community is very big, but then again, it's also very small, and we understand each other. I really, really believe that. So let me know. Like I said, I'm comfortable again today. I have time. Let's chat in the comments. Let me know what you think, and have you ever experienced this? Talk to you guys soon. Stay blessed. Bye-bye.